Have you ever wondered why your favorite hair color doesn't seem to flatter you the way it used to? The truth is, the shade that looked amazing at 35 may actually make you look older at 60. As we age, our skin tone, undertones, and hair texture naturally change. The good news? The right hair color can instantly brighten your complexion, soften your features, and even make your hair appear fuller without changing your haircut. Today, I'm sharing 5 gorgeous hair colors that can help women over 60 look fresh, radiant, and effortlessly elegant. Stay until the end, because the final color is perfect for anyone who loves dark hair but wants a youthful lift. Let's begin with number 1. Warm Honey Blonde. Many women believe the lighter and cooler the blonde, the younger they'll look. In reality, icy ash blondes can wash out mature skin and make fine lines more noticeable. A warm honey blonde does the opposite. Rich golden tones reflect light onto your face, giving your complexion a healthy, sun-kissed glow. Instead of one flat shade, ask your stylist for soft baby lights around your face. These delicate highlights create natural dimension and require very little maintenance while keeping your hair looking bright and youthful. Number 2 is Soft Chocolate Blonde. If you're a brunette, avoid covering your hair with a single dark color. Solid dark shades can make thinning hair more obvious and create harsh shadows around your face. Chocolate Blonde blends a rich brunette base with soft caramel highlights, adding movement and making your hair appear thicker. Ask for a balayage technique so the highlights blend naturally from the mid-lengths to the ends. The result is elegant, low maintenance, and incredibly flattering. Coming in at number 3 is Spiced Copper. Red hair doesn't have to be bold or dramatic. The secret is choosing warm copper tones instead of bright burgundy or artificial reds. Think soft ginger, amber, and cinnamon. These shades bring warmth back to your complexion and make blue, green, or hazel eyes stand out beautifully. To keep the color vibrant, ask your stylist to add subtle golden highlights and use a color depositing conditioner once a week. It's a confident, sophisticated look that feels modern instead of overpowering. Number 4 is for women ready to embrace their natural silver. Creamy champagne silver. Gray hair isn't what makes someone look older. Dull, yellow, or dry gray hair is. Champagne silver enhances your natural color with soft, luminous tones that look polished and intentional. A professional gloss treatment can keep silver hair shiny while neutralizing unwanted yellow tones. At home, use a purple shampoo just once a week to maintain brightness without overtoning. Healthy, glossy silver hair is one of the most elegant looks you can wear. Finally, number 5, Warm Toffee Caramel. If you love having dark hair, you don't have to give it up. The key is adding warmth and dimension. Instead of a single dark brown shade, ask for rich toffee or caramel ribbons through the mid-lengths and ends. These highlights catch the light beautifully, soften your facial features, and make your hair look fuller and healthier. Because they're placed away from the roots, they're also easy to maintain between salon visits. Did you notice what all 5 colors have in common? None of them are flat or harsh. They all use warmth, softness, and dimension to enhance your natural beauty. That's the real secret to youthful-looking hair after 60. It's not about hiding your age. It's about choosing colors that complement the beautiful changes that come with it. And remember, no hair color can replace healthy hair. Keep it hydrated with nourishing conditioners, protect it from excessive heat, and schedule regular trims to maintain shine and movement. Healthy, glossy hair always looks more youthful than dry, damaged hair, no matter what color you choose. So which of these shades would you love to try? Are you drawn to warm honey blonde, rich chocolate blonde, vibrant spiced copper, elegant champagne silver, or timeless toffee caramel? Let me know in the comments. I always enjoy hearing your favorites. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me for more beauty and style tips designed to help you look and feel your absolute best at every age. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.